And never Kaga, then where goes Sadi? You carry gun, I carry gun. Why go fear you? No go fear them. Now our father's land. Now we be men on ground. Bullet in the water. We mount. We no send there. Nigeria, enough is enough.
Please, if you are visiting my YouTube channel for the first time, subscribe with us and turn on your notification button. Hello Biafrans, welcome to Magnetic Jigs TV. Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your time zone. Today being 15th of October 2025, we are bringing this news live and direct to you from the stables of Magnetic Jigs TV. Yes, so Biafrans, you can see that the Biafra Liberation Army are ready. Here in this video, one of the Biafra Liberation Army said that nothing will make them to back down, that they are the men on ground. And he said that people that are mocking that they have buy Gentle should stop saying that Gentle the Yahoo is still alive, and they make up with other commanders that they are still alive, healthy, that the Biafra Liberation Army is not going to run away from their ancestral home, that they are not going to run away for anybody, that they must defend the Biafra land until Biafra comes into fully existence.
This is me, aka Obrumade Janga from Biafra land, a son of B44. We have come, we have swear to restore our father's land. Because enough is enough. Look at what Nigeria terrorists are doing in our father's land. Killing our sisters, killing our brothers. Enough is enough. This time around, I have come out fully to tell them that I'm not afraid to protect my father's land. I'm a son of Biafra. If you like, you can search me, wherever. But I'm not afraid of Nigeria Zoo. One never Kaga, then where goes Sadi? You carry gun, I carry gun. Why go fear you? You no go fear them. Now our father's land. Now we be men on ground. Bullet in the water. We mount. We no send there. Nigeria, enough is enough. You people are just talking rubbish, telling people that you people have killed Gentle. You can never kill Gentle. Gentle is untouchable. And we men on ground, we untouchable. We unkillable. You can never see us, talk less of to kill us. Now we go to kill them. This is me, aka Obrumade Jenga. I come to tell Nigeria to free Nnamdi. This 28th, if you pass it, Nigeria, you will see me in the anger. God.
So in this video as well, you can see these young men or these young guys who specialize in cutting away items used for spiritual sacrifice in so many spiritual altars, or will I say around corners of maybe that village. Ihe ọbụla eji wee charge, like ndị na-eji efi echarge tie na mmiri, ha ga-eburu ụgbọ ga-je buru dị efi, and efi ahụ anwụgo. I get it mean. The efi ahụ anwụgo, ha buruzie n'ozu otu ahụ eburie jeresi ndị slọta ebe ya, ha besia ya, ha na-ere n'ahịa, a na-abịa na-ego na-eri. So today the security of Umuneri captured them, so they are being interviewed. Just listen to them and you will get more details, so that you will be careful anytime you are going to buy anything from the market. You have to be very careful. That is the essence of this video.
Fall into the victim. Oh, back in Naveva. Sit down. I said sit down. Come on, sit down. Bonde ejidele fall into the victim. Nna kadava again. Kadava again. Give me that phone. Kadava again. Kadava again. Oya back ebo. Oyenugu state. Ka ebe na alu. Keka ke na anya. Kedu ndị jidale gị? Ndị security ebe. Ndị security umule. Kedu ndị meju ejidale gị? I be very zealous. If you charge. Thank you. Nna kadava again. No, so quicker. Oh, yeah, not cable. Can we make you a lagi? Can you put us with Butia? A mambala guler. Can you digital again? This security about security. Yes, you told me. But don't you see your Lego? This security is in your Lego.
This security go from Agulere na pass.
Can this security go? No, we are here. Can I? This security can I Lego? Oh yeah? Oh yeah, back up. Can I call now? I got a king 50,000. Good. Security abe. Can I have on your? Elu. I got a king
1,000.
1,000. Good. Madam.
Come on, face camera.
Madam. Can I have again? Okay. Where are back able? On your cousin. Can you put a leg about? Huh? I got Kiana. I bet kiss. Can I be a good idea? Which one? Marcos. Never on as well. Nabia Kitchen. You know, like you go, Nakia. Why haven't we chop about a lew? On the chop, about a lew. Nabia Cordia. You are going to listen to my Mabutia. A matter. Time, Louiama. I have ever. Avia ever na aka nke nwa ya deva.
Munye okwa ko onwele na aka yo we wasting time. Na mo okwa na ko nwele ewu na aka. Yes sir okwa.
Ewu ama okoko a. Be ibeji twa aja na mmili. Deva aba. Ibeji twa aja na mmili deva aba. Madam, jidaja ke wa aka. Ye kwa okoko abuto jide na aka. Munya kuko ko jide na aka. Munya kuko ko jide na aka nna. Nna ngwa jide okwo. Okwe wu wa na okwo wa bia weta na aka gi. Madam, okwe wu wa na okwo wa bia weta na aka gi. Dalo.
Oh yeah, go ahead.
Can I use a web light with the boss?
Amechana go siru ki kana abunanga.
It's a flying boat. My two no son on the final baby. On the salon when now. Ndị nsọ bụ nya bụ iso no ọ bụ le 2 mmiri ọkwa ni bo si 2 mmiri nna ha nwụrụ nya bụ ka ma nwụrụ nya bụ gere ngwa gere mmiri nya bụ
ba no se balono mo asuma treva na no sendi security ba buto ka malbe bu so me go wan several times say anu ugbo ndị mmadụ na complain maka ugbo waka say ai do nenu
oto bo ile ni
atuza kana la ile kwa no seva uno mu gba na
Court that thing.
say ai si polugbo ni na gbogbo no ndị mmadụ na complain no ugbo na ebu no ugbo na ebu amepolo ugbo oneje mu gba biale last sigi chama no ugbo ndị nka ile ka amalike esi me ewata egba mo simu na onwere be gbastale ba banam ya nrola alusi o ewata no ugbo ndị mmadụ abụ anyị na gigide esi anyị na ọbụna ihe ebelu bụ na ihe ebelu bani na mana ọbụna ihe ebelu bani na nyo ba gesi gi chama ngidi ko golo ovu ugbo ngi release
oyo nkaga o ni so nko
na mesoro bani nusu na na asimo ke simo ni be mele bụ aija ai bulu
so no evunu na-ekwu ebe a na-agụ n'ubelu lubuku n'ubelu ụgbọ na ọbụrụ n'ubelu abịa news na-aga viral
Nna ngwa nke nwa.
chama mbona ekwu ana m agwa
anyị na ụnyaahụ enwere m ụnyaahụ
Oboro ge ya Jose, oboro ge ya Jose. Na-ege ntị, o nwere ebe m chọrọ ka m gwa gị. Hold on, ịma na mmebi aba mmadụ na-adị kekereke. Ịma na iwe ikwulu bụ na ndị security ever before mwa bụ okota abịa na ikwulu na ndị security jidere ụnụ n'ụnụ kwụrụ ụgwọ. Hold on, wait, chelo, mechie ọnụ gị. Chelo, wait, ebe eji unu n'ime mmweri, kedu time eji jide unu? Ebe a eji unu na mmweri, kedu time eji jide unu? Kedu time? Okay, ụtụtụ onwe ejidele gị na mmweri. Mbiale akpọrọ m nwe bịa. Kedu iwe ikwulu? Chele ka mbịa, hold on, achọrọ m ka iwe adị clear to avoid ndị mmadụ na-akpa ya ma echi na social media kịta na-ekwu na mechi elulu na ndị na-abịa na-ezu ori. Asị mechie ọnụ na-ege ntị. Asị ka ị na-asị isi na ụnụ na-akwụ ndị sekuriti ụgwọ. Wee sị gị na ya agbalị m sekuriti ụnụ na-akwụ ụgwọ nwee na-agafe. Wee sị gị kpọọlụ m ava ndị sekuriti ị na-ana ego. Ọ dị na vidiyo kịta mmesa m replay ya. Mma agwasị gị ya. Which I never send it. Finish vidiyo na ngwasị gị ya ebe ikwulie. I wee sị na onye unu na-enye ego ba ma echi elu ulu. Wee jụọ gị ego one kunu nyere ama echi elu ulu. I wee sị na i nyere 50,000 naira. Enwee rapụ ụnụ. Wee sị na ọ bụ na ma echi elu ulu na unu 50,000 na ihe ejepụta ma echi. Kuchimisi na ọ dị eche nche. Ọ iwe nkwuru. Then abịazịa na local government ama echi elu ulu bịa. I wee sịzịa na ọ bụrụ 50,000 ka unyere ya. Nọ ya ego ụgbọ. Ọ ebe a ka nọ na-ekwu na ụgbọ. I nyela m echi ego ụgbọ. Asị m gị. I nyela m echi ego ụgbọ. Kedu izi ebe iji sị na ọ nyere gị inyere 50,000 nwee na-akpa ya bịa. Onye bụ ka o si? Ka o si ọ na ebe a bụ ejideli ka o si ebe a ejide gị. Biko nụ ndị Aguleri, ndị Ọmọbala, Anambra steeti. Onye ebe Amechi elulu a na-ekwu. Amechi o nwere onye ọ nala ego. Vana Amechi nụbala ọgụ nyaa. And na duto na varili nne kalịa ndị otu Amechi nọ dị va kpuo isi va mechara mabaga na mmiri gbavuo. Ụgbọba ka dị wuche Amechi. Ịchọ a ije dị ụna avụ dị ụgbọ 6 avụ ndị ụgbọ ndị mmadụ va na-ezu wee na-eji ebu ive agba na mbọ. So ọ dị Amechi dị ụgbọ dị wuche Amechi na. So n'ive ha chọrọ ka ha mee ka ọ bụ na va kotele security ka enwe bụ na ndị security ya rapụ ịlụ ọlụ. And that is the reason why eji ma Amechi invite ọ bịakwuo. Bịa ebe a ọ bụ na iwe niile aba na-ekwu basị. So ndị Aguleri, ndị Ọmọbala, ndị Anambra steeti Amechi elu ulu o nwere ego ọ nale ndị enwe na nke bụ eziokwu. Ndị abụsị na banyere ego na ọba dịcha ebe a na ba ekwuo na ba enyere Amechi ego. So biko onye na-epost ibe bifo ipostu ịmalive na-epostu na mkpa ya nwa ọgaranya ogbugbu maka kwanyị biko ni ayịyọ ngwa ka ọma nna ya mma. Amechi enwere iwe o mere.
So, dear friends, you can see the call for Musa and Asari is getting momentum. This Hausa man is also among the people that are calling for Musa and Asari to be released. He held Sorore for standing up against those that are persecuting Musa and Asari.
These things you are doing with B-Lord in China and the rest of it, as far as I'm concerned, is nonsense. What is the essence what is the essence of going to China in the first place? Is it not to do business? Or is it another activism again? You don't know, a lot of people say, but let's face it. Do your business, make people ease of business and come back quietly and face the reality of the nation, which is the nation who is bedeviled with a lot of... We're not saying it's only you, but let's face it. You got to the limelight on this premise. Right? So it also boils down on you to uphold this premise and make sure that the people that believes in you and support you in this regard are not disappointed. But what is the point? What is the point of all these things? Showore has just initiated something now, which is the fight for justice, and of which you came out to say it's a good one. So do more in that regard, and a lot of other things that needs to be done. But the fact is, just like Nigerians were very gullible, it's always when we talk about name shaming or calling another person's out for banter, that is what becomes interesting. And that is why even the China story could not fly if B-Lord is not introduced. And that is the end game here. So sincerely, people that loves you will criticize you and tell you the fact that you are deviating. Though the fact is, you tend to say you are not an activist, you are not or whatever, but that is the premise under which you go to limelight. And that is what people hold you to a very high esteem in that regard. So what is the point? What is this diversion, deviation? Kai.
So, Ada Deorama is not happy with Ngozi Arabeze. In fact, because of the beef Ada Deorama has with Ngozi Arabeze, she is now supporting Soludo. You know, one thing about all these things is when you are fighting your supposed friend, you go and join another person you are calling enemy, so that you and that person will team together and fight that your supposed friend. Perhaps you were able to buy that your supposed friend. Without your enemy that you went to join to buy that your supposed friend, with that enemy welcome you, like, will the person still see you as an enemy or what? That's what I don't just really understand with all these people saying that they are fighting for Biafra. That's the reason why we have been calling for Musa and Asari to be out. Because the release of Musa and Asari is really gonna tell us who is who or more. Kayamarande Bondi Biko now to go too much Nala you or to go too much Nala Biafra. See how Musa and Asari Kayamarande Bondi. Just listen to Ada Deorama in this video of Hawks.
When I go, oh, mention and goes on a better than you see because of vote. Hey, at Nnamdi blasted. You were a liar. No one in Mepehana, which is this even about Jigawa Biaku here. A man that's known I am Mepesiani care. This insult is too much. This is what Yakananya do too much. A man called the whole Nnamdi blasted. One Soludo. All what that is now. He didn't prepare the way to protect indigenous of Anambra. A one with terrorists, goes on a better way. Konya, one Anambra with terrorism, a man who is a coward. Because now, another message that we with defend Anambra. No. Or was the election? That is something is not because of the election. Because now, every time gets all of the kita, another people will start again. Another people will start again. So, Muwanagba Unumine. If you people, as you were when they send this Soludo message. I don't like Soludo, I don't support Soludo. But I can never no one do not demand now. Nekume anume be Jigawa wa a man from Jigawa, Upper Jigawa, a pure Fulani man a biro na ani. This man don't live in Ani. At all. This man is not an Igbo man. Only Kulokwa won is in the terrorist. Ngozo la base know him. And don't go back. Don't come out. Soya na Hausa, Okwesiri na Hausa, Okwesiri is in the Muslim. Why are you the Christian? Soya na Hausa, because they are well prepared to wipe Ndigo out, to take over Anambra State. Ngozo la best to listen Anambra we conquer. I smile. But the message I don't go to call to ever send the elements of Soludo. Then look at this message, man, Soludo, let me tell you something. You claim to be governor of Anambra State. We are looking for Biafra Biabe. I hear it because of the Biafra Biabe. Bazeleba also, or condemn with Zendon on a buy. No Biafra now. Nobody is not a natural Biafra. I want to imagine now the card HG. Over top the HG. Now, nobody. Nobody. Absolutely nobody. For now, and I can well and he won't the wars and there and I right from the beginning. And he won't the wars cannot under Nigeria. Or not be under Biafra because of Biafra. As so good until the Biafra until I want to Biafra. We want to protect our land. Now can flooding terrorists. Because I go Biafra deceive lie too much. I go Biafra. Goes on about it go Biafra. When they deceive lie, when they change the Biafra, when not conquer Igbo. Actually, can anybody never forget to go to anything Biafra now? First year, reality, non an Igbo. First year, the conquer of terrorists, jihadists in an Igbo. If you people don't do what I say, unu need a jeza I can assure you, what is going on. I'm telling you people, I get it intel more than the work of this criminal. But I'm just on what I'll the property bumper. I'm telling you, the Ezoku can now one deal. Biafra because never hope that Biafra will come. But for now, nobody or one on your man, Snonia, they did I eat him. Or one of them that Snonia can now support than Jem Biafra. You had to go to Mokau, and he won't lose the wars. Where will I when there's a governor blast state was and the candidates the governor blast state was here. Candidates governor Boninosi. Because Nanigo, or because he will stand on Naka, on not control Anigo for now. Nobody is controlling it. There is nothing like Tobatobi is not here. Our leader Martin Nanikan is not here. Or who know Tobatobi and a problem. Or who know if our leader Martin Nanikan no a problem. Umaja, who gave it an ambo. This man who got up is a terrorist, is the head of terrorists. If you people take this thing lightly, only have to get on the answer. Ninia, Nelunu, Yama, Onuku, Maonyenta. Now, Governor of Anambra State, or when you want enough of security, you have to employ more. This is a war between terrorists, bandits in Gozala Base. This is even war in Gozala Base. A declare go war in Anambra State against indigenous of Anambra with the terrorist gang group here from Jigawa. I'm telling you people the reality. If you people keep quiet, saludo, or we will end down, or when a big Ndami na the terrorist, because why this woman is a fight for Napa? All this Ndami Nina. All of them is terrorists. That means 100% indeed. If you don't have them, go and call meeting, emergency meeting, plan all with them. We protect the Anambra State and protect the indigenous of Anambra. Saludo, only enough security. Very powerful.
So Stephen Cross disagree with Showore. He's not happy that Showore is the person going for the release of Nnamdi Kanu because according to him, he said that he believes this is political. He believes that Showore is trying to use Igbos again for his political ambition come 2027 presidential election. But the fact remains that anybody can be used to help anybody in this life. Anybody can stand as a destiny helper. It doesn't matter if the person comes from your tribe. The fact is that let Nnamdi Kanu be released, irrespective of who champions it. That's our own belief from the service of Magnetic Jigs TV.
All right, dear friends, good morning from here. I've been seeing this whole thing flying on social media, which I'm not really happy about Showore calling out the Southeast town governors to come and let them march to Abuja for the release of Musa and Kanu. I'm not really comfortable with that, because truth be told, Musa and Kanu has not committed any crime known to the four walls of the Nigerian laws. There is no crime he has committed. Now you see that at the end of the day, Igbos are the one being used for political gain. You went as far as Kenya to kidnap this man. You came back trying him for over 5 years now. You have not gotten evidences against him. There is nothing you have gotten against him to nail him down. Yet, the bandits, the terrorists, are giving you conditions on your negotiation with them for peace deals in Nigeria. What does that tell you? And when we say we want to go, all of you will come here and start shouting, making noise. It's not as if I don't like what Showore is doing, but I think this is just political. Showore is trying to use Nnamdi Kanu to climb, because you, Biafran, don't know what to do. Biafrans you don't know what to do. A Yoruba man is, are you people not ashamed of yourself? A Yoruba man is coming to address you on how you are going to go and meet the drug lord in Abuja for the release of Nnamdi Kanu. A drug lord. And why bandits and terrorists are moving freely in that same contraction called Nigeria. And Showore is not talking about the, complete lockdown of Nigeria for the insecurity and terrorist activities in Zamfara state to be tackled. Why is he talking about Musa and Kanu? Can you see that you people are foolish? The same governors that are holding Musa and Kanu down, the same governors that are making sure that Nnamdi Kanu does not come out, are the same people you are going to call for this movement. Are you people okay? And everybody is sitting down, clapping for Showore, is using your brain. Hey, Yoruba man is using your brain. How do you think that the southeastern governors will go to that place and demand the release of Musa and Kanu when they have ships that carries oil for them outside the country, crude oil for them? How do you think that all these crazy, selfish people that have oil wells, that come to milk our mineral resources and sell it to the Western world, are going to listen to you? The southeastern governors. Are you people well at all? Are you people well? They are there destroying your businesses, burning down your shops, degrading you, making you look like you are a nobody. And you are here talking about going to Abuja to release Musa and Kanu. Now, if unashem they shame me, by now, Nigeria moving on. Look at what Showore is doing. This is just pure political. You could see it. Very soon now, they say, he's the one that released Musa and Kanu. Why Musa and Kanu has defeated Nigerian government in their own courts, defeated them in international courts, and they refuse to release him. And now somebody from a Yoruba land is going to plead for Nnamdi Kanu's release. Are you people not dumb in the head? When December Lokita Fufa, Kalisia, Odogu na London, chairman Ezego na Dubai, Ojo Batobuego one of China. That is what you'll be seeing everywhere in the East. Manu God Belugo Nambobu now. Futazien everybody now do as. Why you people so? In fact, I pity people that is fighting for you. Dr. Omozo Arabweze now has the declared independent state of Biafra. None of you can support her. None of you is even here to support. Showore is the one fighting for our own leader now. What is that woman called Bianca Olowu that used to say, oh, if it's not the activities of Simon Ekpa, Nnamdi Kanu would have been released. Oh, we have been speaking to the president. Where is she today? What is that Bianca Olowu today? All of them has collected money and ran away. Left Nnamdi Kanu and now make sure that Simon Ekpa is jailed so that nobody will speak about Musa and Nnamdi Kanu again. Are you people not understanding it now? Are you people not understanding it now? I don't know. don't know how you people reason. But this is what I'm trying to make you people to understand. Nnamdi Kanu will come out like Master Simon Ebak said in an heroic way. It doesn't matter what they do. I am not here to sugarcoat words. You see, Tinubu, all this your madness, you know, you're a very ruthless politician. We all know that. You're a very ruthless man. You're a criminal. A very ruthless man indeed. You're a tyrant. So we all know who you are. But you see, all this nonsense you people are doing will bring you people to your knees very soon. And I want to use this opportunity to tell Soludo that you see all this nonsense you are doing about Anambra State's election. Go and bring the best of your what is it called, your military. We are waiting for them. All those people, all those suppression, Udugachi, man pass man, Onyenka, let them come out that day. And I want to tell the civilians, there is no movement on the 8th of November 2025. No movement in the whole of Biafran land, or rather in Anambra State first. No movement. It is military on this bike. You know, we want to really show you people what we are made of. We want to show you because you see, we have talked for so many months, so many days. Now we need to show you people a little bit of our insanity. So there will not be any on the 4th of November. It is the day that the United States in Omambara is going to be having their very first election. And after that, on the 8th, the zoo want to conduct the election in Biafran land. That is where we'll wait for you. You just, if your daughter is going for this INEC thing to come, please advise them that they shouldn't come close. No civilians. We don't want to see any civilian outside on that day. We want to see the military of Soludo. We want to see your military. You know, this time around, we'll let you know how determined we are to leave. We'll show you what governance is all about. We'll show you what leadership is all about. It's not this nonsense people are doing in Nigeria. We have already, I want to tell Biafran as well that we have already gotten Biafra. Biafra has been redeclared. Go and get your ID card. For those of you that are in abroad, the people in diaspora, you need to contact a mouthpiece of the gods to go and get your ID card. That is the first delegitimizing the country that is in our soil. That is the first step. All of you should go and get it before we now come to the homeland. Then after that, you will understand how twisted we are. You will understand. Musa, it doesn't matter what you are planning that day. Bring the best team. Bring your best team. It does not. You see, the Inspector General of Police, we have been warning you people to leave our land. Bring your best police that day. On that 8th, bring them. Let them come with every sophisticated armor tankers. Let them come. You see that on Anambra State election. That is where you will know that Biafra has been redeclared. You see this flag of Biafra that was risen on the 29th of November 2024 by Dr. Ngozi Orabweze. To God, it can never come down. And any Nigerian military in our land on that day, I want you to understand that if you come to our land on the 8th, as a military, as a terrorist Nigerian army on uniform, you'll be buried there. I'm telling you the truth. I don't want to speak much, but on that 8th, let us see what is going to happen. Oh, so many people will say, oh, don't worry, this is how they talk. We're going to take the bull by the horn ourselves. Nobody's coming for our rescue. We understand that right now. We've known that. That is why the Nigerian government, you people, I don't know. How do you people reason? You don't know. I don't know how you reason. They removed Simon Ekpa. because of your mineral resources, because of what they are getting in your land. And Igbos everywhere in the world are saying, hey, yes, we know that Simon is a terrorist. Terrorizing who? Who was Simon terrorizing in the southeast? They negotiated your gas. They negotiated your crude oil. Finland. They negotiated your uranium, your gas, your natural resources for the removal of Simon Ekpanjoko. That is the only crime he has committed. Nnamdi Kanu's crime is that he wants me to be a free man. He wants me to understand what I don't understand, to have those things that is in abroad. He wants my children to live a good life. That is his offense. And all of you are going around, pass migraine. Oh, I am chief this one. I am Ojo Azobueni one of so place. That is what you people know how to do best. Your freedom, you don't know nothing about it. You think we are here. You think I am happy coming here to talk to Biafrans every day. You think it's easy? Most of you are hiding. You are hiding because of your properties in Lagos. But they are even destroying already. And let me warn this, please, I want to warn somebody here. You are my cousin. Biko, Ejinchuku Binenigwe where you stop telling me to come and buy land in Lagos State. Stop calling me for land. Anybody that is related to me that calls me to come and buy land in Lagos, in Abuja, may thunder that does not have direction visit you and your house. May you not live to see the next day. Stop calling me to come and buy a house in these places, please. Apparently, I don't even have money to buy a house. Why are you even disturbing me? And Lagos and land come out from here. Look at how they are destroying. Are you people blind? That they are chasing you people away from Lagos State, from Nigeria. Please, let this be the first and last. I don't want to call your name. So please, none of you should advertise anything to me about land. I don't have money to buy land. Please, I don't. So that's what we're telling you people. You don't understand all these things. Let us go home. We have people like Obi Kubana, E-Money, all these people. They are just doing as if they are not saying what is happening. Man, that your money will not be needed again. Like Simon Ekpa will always tell you. That your money will not be needed. You will be begging to invest. They will tell you there's no chance again. So Biafrans, please let us do the needful. Those of our brothers that are in the southeast, I want you to understand that the ID card, the way this lady said it yesterday, that I'm trying to get this. Okay, that the ID card, yeah, is going to be coming up very soon. So they want to finish the one from here. Then we'll now face you guys. So again, the reason why our military, those guys are not acting, didn't act that time, most of you know. So don't blame them for now. It was because Ogenkere asked them to stop. Ogechukwu Nkere. You know go better for you. You know go better for you. This is the way you do Biafrans. You know go better for you. So please, we know say now we need you to act. Since when Musa and Kanu, then they turn them upside down. None of you agree talk. So Oge, you know what you did to yourself. You know what you did to the Biafrans. Don't worry. Time shall. That time you will take. It will take time. But all of you will go to jail. Believe you me. So on this note, Biafrans.
So Biafrans, thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe with us, Magnetic Jigs TV, for we remain the best. Let us interact in our comment section. We all love you. Bye.